Okay, well, I'm back on the Crow Point where we came the other week for the easterly breeze. I'm now going to check out somewhere which is southwesterly. The other couple of reasons for this is I brought my wing in a bag, the SOAS, but the other thing is I've got a fantastic gimbal, mobile phone gimbal, as a Christmas present. New out. Got to have a new out. So anyway, I'm taking the gimbal, using it as a bit of an experiment. It might get windy, my apologies. And then we're just gonna, when I get to the end, we'll give you a pan round. That was great fun. Marginal conditions, I'm not sure that wind direction is good enough to hang glide from, but anyway, just to like to thank all my subscribers. I wish you all a happy new year. Thanks for watching the videos. Got a little bit sidetracked during the year with my daughter being seriously ill. Thank you for all those people that messaged me to ask her how she was. She's now been given the all clear, so that's great. So a lot of the exciting projects I was hoping to do last year, we're going to do this year. So stay tuned. If you're watching this for the first time, thank you. And just hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys very shortly.